Hello learners, today I am excited to share the different ways to spell the long O vowel sound from the Marva Collins phonics method. When we look at the long O sound, you see there are various spellings. Let's go through them. Long O, 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 O with a macron says O. So long O, single O, you could have the word oval or holy or hello. Single O, long O. Let's look at another spelling of the long O. O blank E. That means the E is silent. You could have poke, stove, or home. O blank E, silent E, says O. Another spelling, long O, 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 W says O. So you could have a word like toe or flow, so. O-W spells O, or says O, sorry. Long O, 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 the letters O-U say O. So you could have a word like soul or shoulder. O-U says O. Long O, 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 the letters O, E. That combination says O. So you might have the word hoe. Do you need a garden hoe? Or I hope you don't have a foe or foe. Let's look at another combination of letters that make the long O sound. Let's look at this one. O, U, G, H. That combination of letters says O, as in the word though or dough. Or although. I can put A-L here and make although. Great. O-U-G-H says O. Long O, 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 O. This combination of letters says O. E-W says O. So you would see it in a word like in the word so. E-W says O. Finally, we have the combination of letters E-A-U. Long O, 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 E-A-U says O, such as in the word plateau, or another word, bureau. E-A-U says O.